Hey. Alright, we're going to this Halloween event. It's like some local event, like at the park. And, yeah, we're gonna bring you guys with us, show you guys what this shit is about. I mean, it ain't even all that scary and shit like how they say it is. But we're gonna go check it out. Let you guys think how scary it is. There's Ant.
Bruh.
Doing stuff with his pictures.
Oh, can't get out the fucking table.
Remember pictures?
Yeah, it's small as fuck.
For real. They got them all thumbnails because somebody wants them. So we were cutting them out, sending it to them. Whatnot. You got some waves there. I like this one. This one's like a little spiral thing. Look at this one. Spiral staircase. But yeah, we're gonna head out in a little bit. You guys will see when we get there. Yeah, he's just doing some stuff with his photography right now before we go. Like he's just doing. Well, actually, I don't even know what he's doing. What are you doing?
Putting them onto the board.
Yep. Before you ship it away. Remember, if you want to see more than just these pics, and like the actual full size and, you know, stuff like that, Instagram will be right here on the screen. Right here on the screen. And yeah, you can go follow him. Check out his photos. You guys can even get photographed too. Why do I keep saying you guys and pointing at the camera? I can just turn it around. But yeah, you guys can get photographed too. Because he does shoots. Just hit him up.
Scared the shit out of me.
Really? Alright guys, so we're about to get in line. And this line is long as fuck. All the way up there. All the way down here. Look how long that shit is. Look! This line is long as hell. But we're gonna go in there for you guys. Stop focusing. Focus. Alright, so we just got to the back of the line. Can you fucking see? It's too dark.
What?
If you need your phone back.
Yeah, we just got to the back of the line. And that shit is long as fuck. We have at least like an hour wait. But we're gonna bring you guys in there. So you guys can see what it's like on the inside.
Scared the shit out of me.
That shit was even that loud. Alright guys, so when we were actually waiting in line and the police showed up and they cut it off like right in half. I don't know if you can see because it's dark. But yeah, they cut it off right there, and everybody in the back of the line, which we were in the back of the line, they're all leaving because it's time for them to close. They close at like 10 o'clock and it's like 9:30, so I guess they cut like half of the line down. But yeah. field behind the stage, like not right here, but behind the stage. And that's what like a lot of kids are playing at, like over here. It's like another soccer field over there, another football field. But yeah, man, from the event we gotta walk through like this dark ass fucking trail back here, nigga. Like this shit dark as fuck, but like you can't even see back here, bro. Like here's my fucking flashlight, you could barely even see. And we're walking on a fucking bridge right now. So we're leaving since they closed on the line. Police. Right now we're stuck in traffic. I hate traffic. Project baby. Look at the traffic. I hate traffic.
College football was friend.
Told the doctor I'm a healthy kid. I smoke broccoli. I won't run around your whole board like Monopoly.